guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try very hard to film this the best I can. I currently have my phone charged into the wall because my phone's about to die. I have been vlogging today as well as I just got off the Go Duo with my mom. So I want to show you guys my hair. It still looks really good. It's a little bit greasy right now, and that's just because I did miss one day out of the routine that I've been doing. But other than that, you can definitely see how red my hair is, the beautiful copper highlights. And I will link down below the hairstylist I used and the salon, and you can follow her so that, you know, if you're in my neck of the woods, go see her. She's awesome. It was definitely the best tax money spent. Let me put it that way. But I wanted to let you guys know that my hair care system that I'm using, it has been officially actually almost 4.5 weeks. And I am in love. My hair is super soft, super healthy. I don't feel like I'm losing a lot of hair like I felt before. So yeah, I'm using Loreal Antidandruff shampoo. It's sulfate free, paraben free. I'm using the Tresemme sulfate free care system for color Vibrance. And I'm also using the Garnier Fruity Slick Shot. So if you want to see more on that, I will put a haul tab up here, and make sure that you also check out my 2-week update as well. And yeah, my next video about my hair will be the hair care routine that I do, fully of what steps I take, what brushes I use, what products, everything. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.